Last time we prepared step 1 of our AAI summer menu. Today let's continue with step 2, our refreshing AAILAWS elixir. AAI stands for Aliment Anti-Inflammatory. Luzon researchers kept finding the same eating patterns in some of the world's longest living communities. We decoded those patterns into the AAILAWS. Get them through our free newsletter, find our email in the description. Today you'll discover AAI Law number 3, Snack Smart. While Chef Chano prepares our AAILAWS elixir, I reveal why every ingredient earns its place in this refreshing pre-workout recipe. AAI Hydration Hero watermelon, cut it into small cubes. Then freeze them for 30 minutes. But the next ingredient completely changes the texture. Chilled AAI coconut silk, coconut milk. Next comes our AAI cloud cream. We chilled it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Place some spoons into each glass. Healthy fats help provide a steadier energy, but the signature flower is still to come. Take a blender and we start our AAILAWS elixir. Add the frozen AAI Hydration Hero. Next, our AAI Golden Threads, saffron. Saffron contains natural polyphenols, protective plant compounds that help defend your cells from everyday oxidative stress. Now let's take AAI Aroma Spice, cardamom. We grind the cardamom seeds into a fine powder. Cardamom contains natural antioxidants, helping protect your cells while creating its warm Oriental aroma. Now the chilled AAI coconut silk. Most people think sweetness is the secret. It isn't. Stay with us, the next ingredient brings everything balance. Here it is, our AAI Golden Nectar, agave syrup. Its gentle sweetness balances the saffron and cardamom beautifully. Compared with refined sugar, agave has a low glycemic index. It releases its sweetness more gradually, making it a better choice for many people managing their blood sugar. Blend until perfectly smooth, if needed. Gently shake the blender to help the frozen watermelon blend evenly. In just a few seconds, you'll see the AAI final result. Meanwhile, discover the AAILAWS in our free newsletter. The email is in the description. Now watch two different textures becomes one unforgettable experience. Pour the AAILAWS elixir over the AAI cloud cream, the frozen elixir, and the silky cloud stay beautifully separated. Every sip is fresh, creamy, light, with the warm Oriental notes of saffron and cardamom. Finish with fresh mint leaves, one final touch bringing freshness to every sip. Today you discover the AAI law number 3, Snack Smart. Replace processed snack with fresh, all ingredients. See you in the next recipe to complete our AAI summer menu.